Charlie, are we gonna go get your girlfriend Riley? We're gonna go get Riley? You ready? Whoa, here we go! Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. That's not our house. Come on, let's keep going. That's not our house either. Next one. That's not our house. Let's keep looking. Where's Riley? Where's Riley's house? Whoa, you made it! Let's go to Riley's house. Good boy. Is this Riley's house? Is this Riley's house, babes? Is this Riley's house? Whoa. Good sit, babe. Good boy.